Our videos keep on cutting out. This is especially 3 minutes long. I mean, I nearly said wrong, even though it's long. That's where we go home.
I know where the lions are.
Oh, as well. You remember last time. So that's really fun. Who is Mama St. Peter? Nani ndio Mama St. Peter's? African viewers, I advise you to use a translator if you want to understand. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Even save if you want. Even download if you want. I'm just bored. Oh, damn. Boredness does not beat the doorness. Okay. So this, we don't have a name for our channel. Psych, we have a name for our channel. Githeri, tupike githeri. Or do we are still vlogging. We will try getting a full game of
We are
the
going
game
to the lions,
Yes,
but not real, fake lions.
they're just
But
sketches.
not toys.
And just sketches. I'm surprised we actually saw
Look
a
guys,
rainbow.
dance kudonjani, dance samaj, dance nazungisham. Right to the left, nazungisham. Ine dance samaj, ine dance samaj. Let's go.
Okay, we need to hurry up because we're nearly close to the lion statues.
2 minutes left to go back.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
Only one.
Go up to Kikuyu. 2 minutes.
Okay, that's a lot.
This is so loud.
In Kenya, it's fun.
But we're not going to Kikuyu.
Yes.
Actually, we are going to St. Peter's.
Yes, this is the school
Where are the...
that we go.
You go. We don't go in at this.
Oh, by that, I'm the only one that go to that school.
This is the principal's house.
No, that's not the principal's house.
This is
Plus, I didn't even know.